Welcome back to my channel, dear student. In today's video, we'll learn what statistics is, some common examples, and how it's used in real life. The simple meaning of statistics is knowledge of data, and the technical definition is statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. You might think statistics is just a classroom subject, but it's actually a part of your everyday life. Whether it's a cricket team's batting average, school exam results, a shop's daily sales, or the weather temperature, statistics is used everywhere. There are two main types of statistics: descriptive statistics, which summarizes and presents data in a simple way; inferential statistics, which uses data to make predictions or draw conclusions about a larger group. Both play an important role in real-world data analysis. Now the question is, where is statistics used? It's used in many fields, such as business, for analyzing profit and loss; medicine, for drug testing and measuring success rates; government, in conducting population censuses; education, to track student performance. So friends, statistics isn't just a subject about data, it's a powerful decision-making tool, and every student should learn it. In the next video, we'll discuss types of data, numerical versus categorical. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.